Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page number 9. So we are on Lesson 2, Reading Comprehension. So Activity 1, read the newspaper article on Pupil's book pages 8 to 9. Then tick the correct ending, A or B. So basically it's page number 9 here. So I will minimize slightly. So maximize it a bit. So I will play the audio here.
Track 1.2 Unit 1 Lesson 1 Activity 3
The day the lights went out. Power cut hits millions. No light, no heat, no trains. A power cut hit New York State yesterday. Millions of people from New York to Canada had no light, no heating, and no food. 30 million people had no electricity for 13 hours. The power cut hit at 7 p.m. while pupils at Thomas Jefferson School were rehearsing for a school concert. I was singing when suddenly all the lights went out, said 11-year-old Loretta Green. Across New York City, people were making dinner. I was cooking soup when the power went off, said Martha Miller in Manhattan. It was dark everywhere. There was no electricity at all. My cooker is electric, so it stopped working. We had to eat biscuits for dinner, and it was really cold because there was no heating. 12-year-old Natasha Spendak was travelling home. My train was leaving the station when the lights went out, she said. The train went dark. A woman screamed and then it stopped, in the dark. It was really scary. Ambulances and hospitals were busy through the night. The traffic lights stopped working, so there were some bad traffic accidents, said James Fenner of the New York Ambulance Service. There were a lot of problems at home and in the streets. Some people broke an arm or a leg. There was no moon last night, so travelling by car was very difficult. It was really dark in Times Square, said Mario Bolatelli, a police officer. A lot of people left their cars in the street and walked home. At New York Zoo, an elephant escaped. The lights went out while we were feeding the animals, said Marnie Sherlock of the zoo. Someone forgot to close the gate, so the elephant escaped and walked down the road to the supermarket. It's okay now though, and is safely back in the zoo. Why was there a power cut across a large part of North America? The answer is a squirrel. We're very embarrassed, said John Matlock of New York Power. A squirrel jumped on the power lines and they stopped working. It was an accident. We're very sorry.
So refer to number 1. Martha had biscuits for dinner because her cooker wasn't working. So number 2. Natasha was scared because a woman stopped the rain or the train had no lights and couldn't move. So the answer is B. The train has no lights and couldn't move. And then number 3. Doctors worked very hard because there were lots of car accidents or the ambulances couldn't help people. So the answer is A. Because there were lots of car accidents. And number 4. The elephant escaped because it was looking for food or someone left the gate open. So the answer is B. And then number 5. The power cut happened because an animal broke the power lines or New York power cut the power lines? So the answer is A, because an animal broke the power lines. So basically it's a squirrel. So I will maximize this a bit. And then activity 2. How did they feel during the power cut match? So number 1, Martha. So it's feeling cold and hungry. So number 1 is B. And then number 2, Natasha. So basically Natasha feeling scared. So the answer is D. So I use ruler. So the answer is D, Natasha feeling scared. And number 3, John. John is feeling embarrassed. And then number 4, James is feeling very busy. So James. And then number 5, Marnie is feeling worried about an animal. So number 5 is A. And then we come to this learning to learn. So activity 3. Take the words that have the same verb and noun form. So number 1, escape. Number 2, rehearse. So no, the answer is no. So just left it blank here. Because number 4, we will write the correct noun for the words that are different in activity 3. So number 3, answer. So this one, we should tick it. And then number 4, feed. So it's now basically is food. So left it blank here. And then number 5, notice. Yes. And then color. And then drink. And then hit. The noun is hitting. So no. And then sing. So maybe it's song or singer. Left it blank here also. And then the final one, break. So number 4, we will rewrite the noun again. So write the correct noun for the words that are different in activity 3. Rehearsal for number 2. And then feed, you write it here as food. Number 3, hit, eating. And then the final one is either song or singer. So song or singer. So ER. And then number 5, choose 2 noun verb pairs from activity 3. Write a sentence with each word. So I will choose drink. So this one, drink. And then another one is color. So number 1, maybe you can use a simpler sentence. So I will write this. Mango juice is my favorite drink. So mango juice is my favorite drink. And then number 2, office printer usually has 4 types of ink colors. So make sure you write the British English instead of American English. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page number 9. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. You can also watch the related videos here. Right below this video there is a link, you can click it and then you can join my Telegram robot that I developed.